Hi, I didn't know until quite recently that you can personalize your ChatGPT settings so it knows a little bit about you and can tailor its responses based on that. If you head over to your avatar on the desktop version or it's somewhere else on mobile, you click on your face, customize ChatGPT, and then the first box is the things that you want it to know about you. So they suggest like, where are you? What do you do for work? Hobbies and interests? What are your goals? I've used this to talk about the Producing Paradise blog, what we do, a bit about myself, and then a bit of personal context about my partner, my medical conditions, and whatnot. Someone rightly pointed out that maybe I don't want to give that much personal information, so maybe I'll take some of that out and have a think about it. The first box is you, and then the second box is how you want ChatGPT to respond. So do you want them to be formal, casual, long or short? How do you want to be spoken to? I've seen people on Reddit say, I want ChatGPT to allude to being a sentient being and like toy with that idea. I'm definitely not doing that, but that's a fun suggestion. So mine is about the writing style that I like, British English, content priorities, the tone, brand and content alignment, and some extra blog post goodness. But yeah, you can tailor all of this to your own personal preferences, priorities, needs, and situation. And then when you use the prompt, it should sound a little bit more like how you want it. Obviously wrote a blog post with some more tips and some example customizations and prompts to try. But essentially, as you use it over time, you might think of more things that you want to put in the customization, or in my case, maybe take out, so that it gets better and better at customizing responses, which I think it does over time anyway, but this is just another way to like bolster the influence. Anyway, I didn't know this for ages while I was using it, so hopefully this helps someone find it sooner. If this kind of advice is stuff that you'd be into, feel free to subscribe for more or check out my other videos and blog posts. Thanks, bye.